Hello team, I am Drishti and this is my project submission for the Refine Hackathon. I had a great experience working with the Refine framework. I have been working with React for a long time and I could feel the ease of working with React when I started working with the Refine framework. Everything was so much sorted. I didn't have to additionally install the router library or even and especially the crude the creating the crude pages. It really simplified my entire process of creating this project. So this project is just a prototype and there are a lot of improvements and there are a lot of additional integrations that I have planned for this project. So I'll just give a brief demo of what this project is and what the idea behind this project is. So the name of the project is SnipSnap. So the entire idea behind this project is basically that I love exploring technologies, right? Working with new frameworks, working with new libraries, working on different projects. Now, whenever I work on these projects, I might come up with a bug that I want to, that I might, like spend a lot of time and then I eventually will fix it, but how I fixed it, there might be some snippet that I want to store so that I can refer it later. Or if there is a new library and there is a process or I'm using a new framework and there is some code snippet that I want to save for later. So this is exactly your like one-stop platform, your tool for that. So what does SnipSnap is like? So SnipSnap basically allows you to store all your snippets all at one place. So all you have to do is just put a title of what that snippet is about, add your snippet, and then you can add it, you can view it, you can edit it later, and you will have a list of all of these snippets here. Now, additionally, it allows you to create an image of your snippet. So suppose if you want to share that snippet, suppose if you are a content creator and you are a technical writer and or in general, you want to convert that snippet into an image and you want to share it on your share it on your social media handles, or you want to make it part of your articles. So you can nicely convert that particular code snippet into an image, and the syntax highlighting for a particular language is already done for you. At the same time, you can select a good background color. So you can customize your image as much as you want, and you can download it and use it to share it at different platforms. So I have basically used I have used Refine as my React framework, and at the same time I've used Supabase for my backend. And again, this is something that I really liked about Refine. So connecting to the backend was very easy. I did it in minutes, and it was really great. I didn't have to spend a lot of time, and I could connect it to the Supabase backend with so much ease. And retrieve the data, get the data with the crude pages. So yeah, so this is basically the list of snippets that you have already stored. So you can see these snippets. So additionally, I have basically used Chakra UI as my UI framework for this particular project. You can edit these snippets whenever you want, and you can just enlarge it and you can view it. Or suppose if you have a snippet and you want to see it later, so you can see that snippet later, what your code was about. Now similarly, you can create an additional snippet. So I'll just create a small snippet here and store it. So I've already copied a snippet. So this snippet is basically to merge dictionaries in Python. So I'll be like, so I'll just add the title. So my snippet is created. I can see it here. Now on top of this, let me show you the additional feature of how to create a snap of the snippet. If you go to show image, there is an option of creating a snap. Now when you create a snap, you are basically navigated to this particular dashboard. Now here you can see this is your snippet. It's already here for you, the already stored snippet which is already there for you, so you don't need to add a code snippet here. You can select the programming language. So here we are using Python, so I'll go and select Python. Yeah, so this is my Python programming language, and at the same time I can just create. So suppose if I need whatever background color I want, I can just select that and I'll say preview snippet. So my snippet has been created. Now again, you can also this code snippet is resizable. So whatever size you want it more this, or you want it a bit, you want it whatever size you want, you can resize your code snippet. So now this snippet has been created, this image has been created. You can change the color depending upon whatever color you like, and then you can just download the snippet. You can see that the syntax of the snippet has already been highlighted depending upon the programming language that you're choosing. So here we can see that we have our snippet downloaded, and this is the download this snippet that we have, and we can use this, and we can share this on different platforms. Uh, so yeah, this was my project for the Refine Hackathon. I had a great time working with the Refine framework. It was a completely new experience for me, and it's great that because of this hackathon, I got to discover this amazing framework, and got my hands-on experience with it. I keep on using it. At the same time, there are so many additional things that I want to integrate with this. First is currently the app. The website is not authenticated, so I have to integrate it with a good authentication system. The refined auth provider is very helpful, so I'll be using that for that. And at the same time, the additional functionalities also will be like, for this I'll probably try to add more customization. Like here, along with the code snippet, the user can also add some text explaining what the code snippet is about. At the same time, directly from this particular platform only, there can be a share button where they can share this code snippet to different platforms, and they don't need to download it to your device. So these are some of the future integrations that I plan to do. And so yeah, thank you so much, and I hope you like my project.